You when you shine when you're ready.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
Guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're old, thanks for staying, because me and Kasa, I know that I left for a year and I'm now back. Yeah, so cutting things short, I wanted to learn a new skill, so I went to buy, I don't know, I went to buy some new stuff, or I went to buy some stuff to learn the skill. The skill is a complex skill, but I decided to start from somewhere and end somewhere. I could have just paid someone to teach me, but why do we have YouTube? Yeah, we watch so that someone to make money. Yeah, so I went to get the stuff myself, and since we are only two females in this house, my mom is surely going to be, sorry to say, my first lab rat. So I'll be trying it on her and we'll see how it goes. So just we should be like, see ya.
This is my mom. Say hi.
Hi, hey, hey.
You when you shine when you're ready. She's going to be my first lab rat for my nail practical.
Yeah, so this was the skill I was talking about. I wanted to learn how to fix nails. Yes, as a lady, aside your certificate, you should have something else, like another skill. So yeah, I was cleaning her cuticle, and sorry for the light. The light is a sensitive light, so it goes dim and then you make a movement, and then you get the light bright. So I saw this trick on Snapchat and YouTube, and they used the cuticle scissors to cut the cuticles, yes, to make it neat. Then I clipped off the excess nails, the corner nails, sorry. So after that I shaped it, yeah, did a lot of filing to make sure that the nails are neat. I dehydrated it with acetone, and then I looked for the right size, or yeah, the right fit of nail for her nail. Then I filed it a little to make it smooth at the edges, because it had this kind of pointed stuff there. I applied the glue to her nail and then the artificial nail. I learned a trick on Snapchat that it makes it last longer. So this is the final look after applying all the nails. My mom likes her nails short, very short. So yeah, I had to cut it this short for her. And yeah, after that, choosing the right shape for her nails was a struggle, because she's always doing almond shaped nails, and I'm like, no, you have to add change, you see, add change to it. So I rather gave her coffin shaped nails. She was claiming that her nails would be big, like it would look very big, but I told her no. So this was the end. After shaping it, I was impressed upon my first try. I know it's not that perfect, but I tried my best. I don't know what's with my mom and red nail polish. She always wants red, yes, so she wanted the red and I did it for her. I wanted to make it neat, so I cleaned the edges, because first time I have to do also that you book me for your next appointment. Yeah, that's about per. So this was her left hand. I was done with it and I was like, let me show you how I was able to come about with the left hand. Yes, I'm impressed. Upon first try, the shaping, it needs more work. So this was the final look of both hands, and trust me, these are very pretty. You might think it's a professional that did it. Yeah, so just admire the nails, and that's on what? Period. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and see you on the next vlog. Bye.